Hi guys, my name is Wesley Bagaporo and you are watching my video that is about the different classifications and types of copyright, the concept of fair use, examples and exceptions, and lastly, the concept of copyright infringement. But first, what is copyright?
Copyright is the legal protection extended to the owner of the rights in an original work. Original work refers to every production in the literary, scientific, and artistic domain. Among the literary and artistic works enumerated in the IP Code includes books and other writings, musical works, films, paintings, and other works, and computer programs. It is also said that works are protected by the sole fact of their creation, irrespective of their mode or form of expression, as well as their content, quality, and purpose. Just remember that copyright is the protection of the creation and the owner of the creation to avoid others from copyright infringement. These are the two types of copyright. First is economic rights and the second is moral rights. So what is economic rights? Economic rights is the type of the copyright that allows the creator to obtain remuneration from the exploitation of its works by third parties, while the moral rights is the type of copyright that allows the creator to maintain and protect the personal connection between himself and the work. Now, this is the different classifications of copyright. As you can see, we have 15 different classifications. There are books, pamphlets, articles and other writings, periodicals in newspaper, lectures, sermons, or other material form, letters, dramatic or dramatical musical compositions, or other works or entertainment in dumb shows, musical compositions with or without words, works of drawing, painting, architecture, sculpture, other work of art, models of designs for works of art, original ornamental designs or models for articles of manufacture, whether or not registrable as an industrial design, and other works of applied art. Illustrations, maps, plans, sketches, charts, and three-dimensional works relative to geography, topography, architecture, or science. Drawings or plastic works of scientific or technical character. Photographic works, including works produced by a process analogs to photography, lantern slides. Audiovisual works and cinematographic works and works produced by a process analogous to cinematography or any process for making audiovisual recordings, pictorial illustrations and advertisements, computer programs, and lastly, other literary, scholarly, scientific, and artistic works. And now let us go to the concept of fair use. Fair use is the limitations on the economic rights of authors. It acts which do not constitute copyright infringement even if done without the consent of the copyright holder. It only says that you can use the work of others without his consent or permission for you to use that. You are browsing inspirational books in the library with different kinds of books, and then suddenly you saw a book entitled How to Cook Adobo with Potatoes by Chef Boilogro. You took a picture of it for you to try the procedures written on it, and you are amazed for you are able to cook adobo with potatoes. But it is not allowed if you produce photocopies of the book and sell it to others to try the recipe of Chef Boilogro. You have disobeyed the rule. You can have only a single copy for yourself. But if you use the work of others to make your own business, that will be illegal. This is another example. You are doing your research paper or thesis. When you are in search of related reviews and studies, you have found an article that is closer to your title of research paper or thesis. It is allowed to use the content of that article, but you have to provide the source and name of the authors, where you have found that article. It could be website, book, newspaper, articles, and others. If you didn't put the source where you have found it, or you did not indicate whose article is that, it means that you are stealing his content in that article. That will be illegal, and it is called plagiarism, stealing and pass off the ideas or words of another as one's own. Now, let us go to the last part of my video, which is copyright infringement. Copyright infringement consists in infringing any right secured or protected. Also consists in aiding or abetting such infringement. Copyright infringement is the illegal use of the protected work of others. For example, my trademark is Starsky with a logo of a dog, and my invention is entitled Residence Vehicle Recognition System is made to secure residents' safety in a particular subdivision. It recognizes the registered vehicles that is owned by the residents in the subdivision and automatically open the security barrier in that subdivision. This is done by using the plate number scanner and CCTV as input devices, which devices process and transmit to a central server which is operated in the guardhouse, and if the vehicle is not registered in the lists of registered vehicles owned by the residents, the guard will interrogate the driver that is in the unknown vehicle. And if the vehicle is registered to the office of the subdivision or in the list, light indicator will be green, if not, red. And then, I want to protect my invention and my trademark to avoid others from the infringement or by using it in other products. So, I am going to protect it in terms of patent. So, what is patent? Patent is a grant protection for an invention. It excludes others from copying the work or any similar work of the creator. Once the invention is patented, it has a term of protection of 20 years, providing the inventor significant commercial gain. The trademark is also protected by the copyright. But what is trademark? Trademark comes from the two words, which is mark and trade name. Mark is any visible sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of an enterprise, and the trade name is the name or designation identifying an enterprise, or it is also known as business identifier. The trademark can be a word or logo that people will going to remember that it is a work of the creator. So guys, that is all the content of my video. I hope you understand the topic, so thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.